Soil has always been the primary form of living for the inhabitants thereof. Along with the air, water and sun, it stands for the actual engine allowing life to properly function. The permanent demographic expansion and the global development have stimulated the agricultural production increase and the evolution of this line of business. Given its tradition in the agricultural field since 1974, AGROIND Cauaceu is currently one of the most important companies operating in the agricultural field in Western Romania. In 2003, AGROIND Cauaceu took a new development step and met the market requirements and demand by marketing chemical fertilizers, seeds, pesticides and cereals. The company entered into distribution agreements with the most relevant worldwide renowned specialized companies and thus turned into the main agriculture input suppliers in the Bihor County. Thanks to the SAPARD and FADR funds, the company invested 3 million euros both in high-performance agriculture machinery, high-tonnage machines, transport means and in storage facilities building and refurbishment. The AGROIND headquarters in Cauaceu includes 9 storage facilities for cereals, seeds, pesticides and chemical fertilizers, and the storage capacity thereof amounts 8,000 tons. Cereals are weighted, lab tested and, depending on the results, subsequently stored in the storage facilities. One of the most modern cereal storage facilities in the country is located in Arpașel. The merchandise that is delivered to this location is weighted, tested and forwarded towards the takeover silo. Cereals are directed from this location either towards the dryer in order to reach the normal humidity parameters or towards to the storage facility by means of a conveyor. The fully automatic system is provided with a 24-ton drying capacity per hour, while the conveyor simultaneously delivers 60 tons of cereals to the 3,000-ton storage capacity facility. The Osig is the location of an impressive cereal storage facility provided with a 15,000-ton capacity expanded on a 7-hectare area. Supplied cereals are processed similarly to those in Cauaceu, Oradea and Arpașel. Following the weighting procedure, the quality standard compliant merchandise is directly distributed to one of the 13 storage facilities. Non-compliant cereals are discharged into the takeover pit. Cereals presenting impurities are directed from here to the cleaning system and the dryer, respectively, should high humidity be found. The old-type cereal dryer was commissioned back in 2005 and is provided with a 27-ton drying capacity per hour. The merchandise is directed from the dryer by means of a fully automatic system providing a 60-ton transport capacity per hour towards one of the 2 cells or one of the storage facilities. Cereals intended for client delivery are stored inside well-ventilated storage spaces that are permanently disinfected. The silo product truck loading is performed on a mechanical basis by means of a smooth conveyor. The Osig-based conditioning plant was commissioned in 2011 and stands for a modern 1 million euro investment. AGROIND was granted the right to reproduce in its own farms the seeds imported from internationally renowned companies. Thus, farmers in the western part of the country now have the opportunity to purchase exceptionally qualitable seeds with a particular potential. The wheat, barley, turo barley and triticosacale seeds that are produced in the 2 farms in the Osig and Cauaceu are processed for sale purposes. The seeds are stored under their initial form in the seed takeover silo and are further transported to the plant in a first buffer silo. The plant selector eliminates foreign bodies, broken grains and vegetal debris from the selected product. Seeds are filtered by means of a grain separator to the purpose of performing grain calibration. Once the seeds are transferred to the second buffer silo, they undergo treatment preparation. Seed weighting for packaging purposes is automatically performed on the 2 existing scales. The AGROIND Cauaceu produced seeds packed in 500 kg large bags or small bags of 35 to 50 kg are purchased by most farmers in Arad and Bihor counties. The AGROIND Cauaceu packed seeds fully comply with the highest quality parameters and are thus the perfect solution for both the technological and the cost-effectiveness perspective. In 2012, AGROIND Cauaceu purchased a cereal silo facility provided with a 40,000-ton storage capacity in Oradea, thus actually doubling the company's storage capacity at that particular time. Wheat, barley, triticosecale, corn, rapeseed and sunflower are weighted inside the silo and are carefully checked by the company's own laboratory. Depending on tested species, humidity, foreign bodies, hectoliter weight and gluten are determined based on submitted sample. Cereals will be subsequently unloaded and stored depending on the category in one of the 32 cells. Since we have learned to cherish nature and the fruits thereof, AGROIND annually celebrates Wheat and Corn Day. The company organizes various symposiums and meetings with partners in order to make sure that the client satisfaction level fully meets the company's efforts to such end.
Societatea Agricolă Ceres din Diosig colaborează cu AGROIND Cauaceu încă de la înființarea ei. De-a lungul timpului, colaborarea noastră s-a consolidat ca urmare a facilităților pe care le-am găsit, ca urmare a seriozității în relațiile pe care le desfășurăm de fiecare dată.
Am reușit în perioadele grele să trecem cu bine și datorită ajutorului pe care l-am primit de la AGROIND Cauaceu. Alături de ei am reușit să obținem producții bune, să facem o agricultură din ce în ce mai performantă.
Colaborarea e destul de bună, avem termene clare, discounturile sunt pe măsură. Iau de la ei aproape toate inputurile, îngrășămintele care de obicei le cumpăr cu plata pe loc.
By the AGROIND Cauaceu products market release, the company turned into one of the most important fall cereal seed manufacturers in Western Romania. The 3,000 hectare of agricultural land that AGROIND Cauaceu owns are divided into 4 vegetable farms in Diosig, Chiraleu, Cauaceu and Martihaz and are easily exploited given the already existing machine fleet. In order to deliver input and cereals to clients, the company owns a fleet of 7 cereal and merchandise transport trucks. AgriFarm stands for the perfect solution for small-scale farmers. The 5 phytopharmacy network from Diosig, Cauaceu, Valea lui Mihai, Nușfalău and Salonta provides farmers with high-quality seeds, pesticides, fertilizers and cereals in small packages. By having increased the cereal storage capacity to 80,000 tons through the storage facilities located in Cauaceu, Diosig, Arpășel and Oradea, and also by commissioning the seed conditioning plant in 2012, AGROIND becomes the main trader in Bihor County agricultural field. Thanks to well-organized management and to permanent development and investments, the company recorded a constant increase of the business turnover. From 10 million euro in 2007 and 17 million euro in 2009, the company business performances reached 30 million euro in 2011. AGROIND is permanently focused on keeping its position in the top of specialized companies by showing reliability and professionalism in partner relations and full responsibility towards the environment. AGROIND Cauaceu, making Earth better.